Hello everyone. About 4 weeks ago, I did a video showing how to live stream with the Mini 4 Pro. Now, that video was created pre FlyApp version 1.15.8. I updated my FlyApp version to the latest version and went into the live streaming section. To access that, go into settings, transmission, and then click on live streaming platforms. And this is what I've noticed. If you are screen recording, you cannot access the live streaming platforms. This was not the case before. Now, I'm going to exit out of this and I'm going to stop the screen recording. And I swipe down and stop it. So you're going to lose this feed just for a moment because there's a workaround. Now, as a workaround, what I had to do was to go in and stop the screen recording, then go into settings, open up live streaming, then go back to screen recording and resume stream recording. So that's where I'm at right now. So now I can click on the RTMP icon there, and I can see here the latest FlyApp update did change the live stream setting interface, where they separated out the RTMP address and the stream key. Is it a big deal? I don't think so. All you have to do is enter in your RTMP address in the top box, which will be RTMP://a.rtmp.youtube.com/live2. And beyond that last // that will be your unique stream key. And you place that in the second box. So I want to bring this to your attention, and I appreciate your comments. Keep them coming. And in the meantime, you guys have a great start of your 2025.